I think we can all agree there are few experiences in life that can compare to the birth of your child. But that precious moment can turn traumatic if your child is born with a birth injury. Now, some birth injuries are unavoidable, but many are preventable. If you or your baby were injured because of a healthcare provider's mistake, you may be eligible to receive compensation for you and your baby's injuries, medical expenses, and pain and suffering. The birth injury lawyers at Robert J. DeBry & Associates know how painful this time can be, and they'll do everything they can to help. When something goes wrong during the birthing process, it's your medical provider's responsibility to do everything in their power to prevent injuries or other complications. Now, common mistakes by doctors and nurses and other healthcare providers can include misdiagnosis. Your doctor is responsible for diagnosing you or your baby with any potential complications before and after the delivery. If they fail to do so and an injury occurs, they could be considered negligent. Forceps. Doctors often use forceps to assist during birth, but if too much pressure is applied, your baby may suffer a severe skull or facial injury. Lack of oxygen. Babies are sometimes born with the umbilical cord around their necks, and that can reduce their oxygen supply. If this happens to your baby and the doctor doesn't remove it in time, your baby could be deprived of oxygen for several minutes and could develop brain damage. Breech delivery. A breech delivery means your baby is born feet first, and that can result in skull injuries and broken bones if the doctor doesn't call for an emergency cesarean section or other preventative measures. Other injuries due to negligence may occur after birth, such as problems during circumcision, failure to treat infection, or failure to diagnose internal injuries in you or your child. Despite doctors, nurses, and other medical professionals' best efforts and intentions, accidents and negligence can occur. Fortunately, there are laws in place to make certain that the doctors and the hospitals who are responsible for your child's birth injury are held accountable. The costs of care for a loved one with a birth injury can be staggering, often involving multiple surgeries and intensive treatments. Call Robert J. DeBry & Associates today to speak with an attorney about your case. They'll help you get the compensation your family deserves. You can give us a call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at no charge. So call today. Reporting for the Robert J. DeBry News Network, I'm Terry Wood.